In this class, let us learn combination of cells, series combination of cells. Consider two cells E1 and E2 with internal resistance R1 and R2. Negative of one cell E1 is connected to the positive terminal of E2. A current I flows through the circuit. So current through each cell will be same. That is I is equal to I1 is equal to I2. The terminal PD across E1 is V1 and terminal PD across E2 is V2. And the potential difference across R is V. So V is equal to V1 plus V2. But for a cell, the terminal potential difference V1 is equal to E1 minus IR1. And for the second cell, the terminal potential difference is equal to E2 minus IR2. Suppose this series combination is replaced by an equivalent cell such that it produces the same current in the circuit. So the PD across R, external resistance is V. So from this circuit, V is equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent. E equivalent is the equivalent EMF and R equivalent is the equivalent internal resistance. So let us substitute in this equation 1. E equivalent minus I into R equivalent is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 is E1 minus I R1 plus V2 is E2 minus I R2. So let us write the equation as E equivalent minus I into R equivalent is equal to E1 plus E2, then minus I can be taken as common, then in bracket R1 plus R2. Let us compare the left hand side and right hand side. E equivalent is equal to E1 plus E2. And R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. This is the equivalent EMF of two cells in series and the equivalent internal resistance of the two cells. If the two cells are identical, then E1 is equal to E2 and R1 is equal to R2. Then the equivalent EMF will be equal to 2 times E1 and the equivalent internal resistance will be equal to 2 times R1. So EMF is increased in series combination and the internal resistance also increased. For n identical cells, the equivalent EMF will be n times E1 and the equivalent internal resistance will be n times R1. And now let us find the current through the circuit. EMF is V plus IR and V is equal to I into capital R. Therefore EMF is IR plus I small r, that is equal to I into R plus small r, or I is equal to E by R plus R. In the combination it is equal to E equivalent by R plus external resistance plus equivalent internal resistance. For n identical cells, E equivalent is n times E1 and R equivalent is n times R1. Let us substitute in this equation n times C1 by R plus n times R1. If the internal resistance is negligibly small compared to the external resistance, this term can be neglected. Then I is equal to N times E1 by R, or the current is N times the current from each cell. E1 by R is the current from a single cell. So in order to get maximum current, the cell should be connected in series if the internal resistance is negligibly small compared to the external resistance. Thank you.